Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. Today we are taking the exercise 4.1. Question number 1, that is use the figure to name, is given that figure, and first is 5 point. A part is 5 point, so that is a 5 point 1 2 3 4 5. D, comma E, comma O, comma C, comma B. A line, many more line are here, but a line, that means BD, BD, this is a line, a line. 4 ray, many more ray is there, but we are writing here only 4, that is ED, ED, that is a ray, OD, this is also ray, OC, also ray, OB, OB, also a ray. Many more ray also there. 5 line segment, many more line segments are there, but here ask the only 5, so that DE, EO, OB, OC, OD, these are the line. Question number 2, name the line segment in all possible 12 way, choosing only 2 letters at a time from the 4 given. That means this one is given, and write the possible way to 12. Line given in all possible way. So that means we will write AB, AC, AD, AB, AC, AD, and then BA, BC, BD, and then after CA, CB, CD, and then after DA, DB, DC, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Right? Question number 3, use the figure to name. That one figure is given, that line containing point E, many more. So here we will write only one line, AE, line passing through A, that is also AE. From A, this one line is going, this one also, but we have written EA only. Next, line on which O lies, OC, and then after 2 pair of intersecting line, CO and CA, CO and AE we can write here, AE. It means 2 pair of intersecting line. This one line is intersecting, this one also intersecting. So many more are there also. How many line can passes through one given point? Many more, countless, like this is the point, many more. P part, Two given point, only one. One, because we have 2 points, that we have one line. Question 5. Draw a rough figure and label suitably in each of the following cases. A part, point P lie on AB. So first of all, draw AB, A, B and on point, that is a P, on line AB. Question part number B, XY and PQ intersect at M, that is a X, Y and then after PQ, P, Q, or that is a M. C, line L contain E and F but not D, that is a L line. L line contain EF, E, F but not D, so that will be D. It means outside the line. Part D, OP and OQ meet at O, that is a O, P and OQ, OP and OQ, that will be O. OQ, that is Q. Sixth part, consider the following figure of line MN. Say whether following statement are true or false in context of the given figure. That is a figure. So first part is Q, M, N, P are point on the line MN. Yes, all the things are, yes, that is a true. M, N, M, O, N are point on the line segment MN. Yes, true. You can see there. M, N are end point of line segment. Yes, true. And then O, N are end point of line segment OP. No, F. False. And then E, M is one of the end point of line segment QO. No, false. And then O and R end point of line segment OP. No, false. That is FG. Ray OP is a different from ray QP. Yes, true. This is a different. H. Ray OP is the same as ray OM. Yes. Oh, sorry, false. I number, ray OM is not possible to ray OP. False. It's possible. O is not a initial point of OP. No, false. N is a initial point of, yes, true. Yes. Now exercise 4.2. First question, classify the following curve as one open or close. So that is, first is a open and third C is also open. A, C is open because you are looking the node closed, and B, D, E are the closed. Second question, draw a rough diagram to illustrate the following. Open curve. Open curve, you can write the anything like this, W, Z, anything. From first question you can see that Z you can write. And then closed curve, that D part you can write. D part. Question number 3. Draw any polygon and shade it interior. Anything we can draw. And then shade this one. You can use the pencil for shading, or you can use the pencil color also. Consider the given figure and answer the question. A part. Is it a curve? Yes. Yes. Is it a close? Yes. You are looking that one. State if possible each of the following with the rough diagram. That close curve, that not polygon. That will be not polygon. That one line will be there and that one will be. Right? An open curve made up entirely of line segment. So that when you can write the Z, W, anything, that is open. A polygon with two sides, not possible. Not possible. This is not possible.